Hello everyone, my name is Alex Martinez, also known as According to Alex here on YouTube. I'm sorry I've been away for a little bit, but the good thing about being a small YouTuber is I bet no one noticed. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about a stimulus update. We're going to talk about the EIDL grant. We're going to talk about the main StreetLender program, and we're going to talk about the most commonly asked questions for the EIDL grant. There's going to be a lot of talk about the EIDL grant and portal that is now open. Starting off, we have some good news. So the good news is that we have 4 different sources from the White House that are stating that a second stimulus is coming and it is coming soon. So those 4 different sources are Peter Narravo, Steve Mnuchin, Kevin Hazet, and kellyanne Conway. I think that's how you say it. They are responding to the bill that was presented and passed by the House of Representatives called the HEROES Act. This bill states that it will give every person a second stimulus check, a second $1,200. It will also extend the PAU benefits, which stands for Pandemic Assistance Unemployment. So that extra $600 that people are getting weekly right now, for those of you that have been suffering from COVID-19 and have lost your job, that is set to be extended up until next year if Congress can agree on everything. Now, forgiveness of interest rate and principal of debt for school loans is also a thing that they're talking about, and even a hazardous pay for essential workers. So that hazardous pay would be around $13 an hour. So that is what we're talking about right now. That is what has been talked about so far. But now newer things that we're going to talk about is there is more push, and specifically Stephen Mnuchin is asking for more push in funding for the PPP program, the Payment Protection Plan, and also the EIDL portal is up, okay? We have confirmation that the EIDL portal is up as of Monday, as of 2 days ago, and the main StreetLender program is up as well. It was up yesterday, and that is backed up by the federal government. So we're gonna be talking about what that entails, and if you don't know what the EIDL is, it's pretty simple. It is a program that gives you $1,000 per employee for anyone, even if you are a sole proprietor, if you are a sole business owner, or if you have some type of small business. Now, if you're in the category of being an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and have a side hustle, then you most likely qualify. And what I mean by side hustle is, do you pay taxes on whatever income you earn on the side? If you do, then you are considered having a side hustle. Now, if you did not apply in March and April when the EIDL portal was closed, then you can apply now and you can get up to $10,000 if you have 10 employees. That makes sense. Now, the grant portion is free. I do want to emphasize that there is a portion of this that is free. You do not have to accept the loan. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you like what you're hearing so far, and please share this video with other people that you know might qualify. Get this to as many people as you can before money runs out, because the money will run out. It ran out once and it will run out again. Now, here's what you should know about the new portal. This is what I'm talking about, the new portal. I will also at the end be talking about commonly asked questions for the old portal and the new portal, so you might want to stick around. So we know that it opened June 15th. That's what we know. We know that some people are getting funded after only 24 hours. So some people applied on Monday, and on Tuesday they got their $1,000 grant, or $10,000, up to anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000, depending on how many employees you have. You have to have your credit unlocked. Okay, this is an issue that didn't happen before. Now it's happening. The SBA has to check your credit. Now you have to have your credit unlocked so they can process with it. Now, if you applied as a sole proprietor and you're asking for money, before in the old EIDL application, they didn't ask to verify anything. You were pretty good to even lie. But now they're asking you for a Schedule C. They want you to show that you do actually have employees. So if it's only yourself, then don't put that you have more than just yourself, okay? If you don't pay taxes on it. Now, I will have a link in the description that you can check out where exactly to apply for the EIDL grant. Please make sure to apply for that, and please check out my other video that walks you step by step how to apply. It literally will take you less than 5 minutes, and when in doubt, you need to just apply, because what's the worst that can happen? You just get denied and you wasted 5 minutes. 5 minutes for a possible $5,000, for a possible $1,000 is definitely worth it. So please apply. Check out the link in the description to apply, and check out the link in the description to my walkthrough on how to apply. Next thing I want to talk about is the Main StreetLender program. Here's what you need to know about the Main StreetLender program. It went live yesterday, so it has 1 day that it's been live. It went live 6/16. It will give you $250,000 to start with no principal due within the first 2 years of the loan, and no interest due within the first year, within 1 year of the loan. So what does that mean? That you can apply for this, get $250,000 as a loan, and if you really don't need it after a year, you can just give it back and you lose nothing. You don't have to pay any interest. You don't have to pay down any principal. You can just give it back if you really don't need it. Now, if you do wait longer, take into consideration that you will most likely have to pay some interest if you wait longer. It is, one more thing that you should know, it is underwritten by the Fed, meaning the Fed covers 95% of this loan, so it is basically a Fed loan, and the rest of the 5% is covered by a federally backed institution such as Chase or Wells Fargo. So those are the banks that you can go to apply for this. And it's also stated that you will get this $250,000 within 2 days after you apply. Once you apply and get qualified, everything goes through, then 2 days after you should see $250,000 in your bank account. Now let's go over some EIDL questions. These are some of the most commonly asked questions and I want to answer them for you. So first one is, will the people applying to the new portal get the $10,000? So there's a new portal, it went live Monday. Will these people get the full $10,000? Nah, they will not be getting the full $10,000. They will only get $1,000 per employee, just like before, just like the other one. We already know that the rules changed and you cannot get the $10,000 unless you have 10 employees. Now, do the people that applied when the portal was open for agricultural and got denied need to apply again? So you applied when it was open for only agricultural applicants and you got denied. Do you have to apply again? No, you do not need to apply again. This information that you put in will just be converted from agricultural to a regular application and you're going to be good to go. Next question is, what if I am denied and you applied in March or April? So you applied in March or April and you got denied. So here's what you need to do. You need to do a reconsideration letter telling them why you think you qualify for this. Make it short, make it sweet and to the point. And it needs to be sent back to the email that you got telling you why you got declined. And once you send it to them, then they should respond back to that same email asking you for documents. Once they ask you for documents, then that means that things are moving and you can get it all settled. Next question is, I got my grant but denied the loan. Should I reapply in the new portal? No. Unless you are someone new, unless you're a different person or have another business, no, you cannot reapply. So you cannot do that again. Sorry about that. No double dipping. Now, I am worried that I don't qualify. Should I apply? When in doubt, please apply. Please apply, people, because there you will be surprised for what you will actually qualify for. Now, if you don't qualify, well, then you just lost 5 minutes of your time. Literally watch my video. It takes less than 5 minutes to fill out this whole application. It's not really that bad. Now, what if I don't see my business listed in the application? This isn't a big issue. Just put other. There's an option where you can just put other. Notice that they cannot put everything, every single business. They can't list everything. Do you apply for the loan to get the grant? Now here's the technicality of this. This is technically a loan. For the EIDL, you are applying for a loan and yes, you get the grant. But you can always apply for the loan, get the loan, and then give it back. There's no penalty for giving back the loan and you can still stick with the grant. Should I contact my senator? Yes, you should contact your senator if you have not received your EIDL loan and it's been forever. So if it's been a very long time, you should definitely contact your senator. I put the number also in the description. So the number is 202-224-3121. It is connected to the U.S. Capitol Switchboard, and basically you can just talk to your senator and tell them you haven't received your EIDL loan, tell them what's going on, and they will definitely be able to help you. A lot of people have been saying that they've been getting through with calling the senators. So as long as you call your senator, tell them what's going on, they will be able to help you. Make sure you call them. And also, actually that's it. So that's about it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.